In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove quantity in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up an online store and want to simplify the purchasing process for your customers or need to streamline your service offerings, this guide is here to help. So let's dive in and take each step slowly to ensure you get everything set up perfectly. First, what you need to do is navigate to Squarespace. If you're already familiar with how to log in, just head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. It's often a good idea to ensure you know your login credentials ahead of time to avoid any hiccups. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the section that says Get Started. Clicking here will take you to the next phase of our process. After clicking Get Started, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site, and it's where you can access a variety of settings related to your business. On the left-hand side or along the top, you should see a menu with different options. Don't be overwhelmed. It's simpler than it looks. Here, you should click on the Settings option. This is where the majority of your site adjustments and customizations can be made. With the Settings panel open, look down the list for the Selling category. Under this option, you'll want to click on Checkout. This is where you manage how your customers complete their purchases, and we're almost there, so keep following along. Once you're in the Checkout section, the next step is to locate the toggle labeled Quantity for Services. You might see this option on a list or in a menu, but either way, you want to make sure to turn this toggle off. By doing this, you're removing the quantity option when someone purchases a service from you in Squarespace. This change will take effect in real time, so there's no need to refresh your page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the quantity option for services on Squarespace. This process is particularly useful for service-based businesses that don't require customers to input quantities, and it keeps the checkout process sleek and simple for your clients. Remember, should you need to reverse this action at any point, you can follow these steps again and simply toggle the option back on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out more resources online to assist you further. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on getting the most out of your online platforms.